AIM called, so we're gonna go pick up the car and then go get that and come back. Okay. So we'll be back. We'll be back. Yeah, and we gotta tear the car apart this weekend. So let's go get the car. We gotta tear it apart this weekend. We got shit to do. Right, Jake? Huh? Yes. Exactly. All right. We got 2 weeks to get this car done. Let's go get it. I swore that we wouldn't build a car again in that amount of time. And last time it took 6 weeks to build a car, and this time we're like, we got 2 weeks. It never ends.
Look at the way I walk. Look at the way I stand. You hear the way I talk? I got a master plan. And if I want it, I get it like cash in hand.
I was like, I forgot the keys, but then I realized they have the keys. We don't need no keys. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cops. 7 sheriffs, 1 truck. Did they find like a dead guy in there or something? Dude, last time I came over here, like all the skydivers were doing like their tandem where they hook their feet together and like twirling down right here. Yeah. It is here. Yeah, so we need to get a tow rig figured out and we need a trailer. We don't have either. I mean, worst case scenario, we get like a $7,000 Ford F-350 and hope to God it makes it to the East Coast. And if it breaks, you buy another $7,000 Ford F-350 and make it. Hope we make it home. But the only reason why I say that is because they're cheap. Right. Because they're cheap. Yeah.
It's a Ford quick.
Yeah. Their quality is cheap, and so is the price. People are just giving them away right now, just to get rid of them. Nobody's buying shit right now, so you can get some sick deals on a truck. Like literally $7,500 for a decent dually F-350 situation. So yeah. No problem. All right, so we're pulling up here. This little plaza is cool because they have like everything in here. They have a bunch of race teams in here, which is cool. And then the AIM guys are in here. So they've had our car for like 3 weeks now to unlock the data, which is critical for everybody else involved in this platform because now the Elantra N, if you put a Solo 2 or anything on there, like we can see all the parameters of the whole vehicle, which is super sick. All right. So we'll go in there and get it. You're gonna have to drive one of the vehicles back.
All right.
So you gotta take your pick. Let's go get the car. What up? I'm Josh. Yeah, how are you? I don't know if I met you last time. I saw you working with Cameron, but I don't think I actually got to.
Yeah, I was just giving him a hand.
Okay, cool. But yeah,
Hyundai's yours, huh?
Hyundai's ours. We came to take it so we could tear it apart this weekend.
Right. It's a mutual thing, you know. We invest the time into doing this, you invest the car, you get what you want, and then we have a protocol that goes out to every other customer.
Yeah, and we work with all the guys that go to track these things, and we do a lot of drivers coaching and stuff like that too.
That's awesome.
So we'll get a lot more guys using data, and then with the Neotech stuff that we're doing this year, we have a full service suspension trailer going out to all the events.
Yeah.
And part of that whole thing is we need to see data. So we need to put data on these guys' car to extract the stuff so we can build a suspension for them and service for them. So part of what we're pitching, and maybe we'll work with you guys, is to figure out like what system is best, because we're going to make a harness for this, which then that can be sold as a kit for everyone that has one of these.
Right.
I have the MXS, and I had a buddy come over because it was on the RCAC.
Yeah.
So I had a buddy come over yesterday that also has those, and he did confirm with me it's unlocked.
Okay.
And then I talked to Lil, our driver, and he's like, no, I already have all the programming. I know exactly how to switch that back and forth.
Oh,
so
awesome.
we don't even need help with that.
Oh, that's the easy.
Because the biggest question was, is it unlocked? And it is. Okay.
So we'll do the design, we'll do the layup and the initial harness construction, and then moving forward, it'll just be a part number.
All right, let's get back to the shop and get this thing on a lift, and we got to tear this bitch apart. So, and big thank you to AIM, as you guys heard in that, strong partnership moving forward, and we got some cool surprises for all you guys at the track that go right in line with all of our data acquisition, suspension tuning, and everything else. So we're gonna have a plug and play kit for you guys for all your data situation, and then we can teach you and help you navigate through that with software that we will have on hand. So hey, like I said, big things happening in the Hyundai community, and we're pushing hard for you guys. So let's get back to the shop. We gotta tear this thing apart. We don't have time. We gotta go. We're late. Later.